Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find rooms in Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you're in the home page, you can just scroll down here a little bit and press on rooms now. And now you will be able to find different kind of rooms like bedroom, living room, kitchen, home office, bedroom, anything that you need here, and you can just simply press on it, press on a category, and you will be able to find different kind of rooms and items that you can have in that room. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.